Mevis was founded exactly 60 years ago. We'll actually be celebrating our anniversary this year. It all started with the brilliant idea from our founder, Adriano Vicentine, to meet the needs that were growing in the spring industry in this local area. Over the years, he considerably diversified production, and today we cover a huge variety of products. In total, the company now consists of 8 processing plants. The entire group has over 700 employees. One of our strengths is that we have always been there to support our customers in designing the product. Over 60% of our production is dedicated to the automotive industry. The group as a whole produces over 80 million pieces a month. To measure sheared and bent parts and CNC production, we need the right instruments. These are profile projectors where you place a part and with a specific light, you can define the shape and take the measurements. We chose Metrios machines because they respond perfectly to our needs. Using a manual machine to measure a part with 17 dimensions took about 20 minutes. Today, with the Metrios program, we can do it in just 7 seconds. From 20 minutes to 7 seconds. Introducing Metrios into our company really facilitated the work of the operators who have to check the parts. If before an operator could monitor just 4 plants and take the measurements, today that same person can control the quality of 6 or 7 plants. Our work supports production because it's important for the operators to monitor the machine and understand production trends. Sometimes, like we see here, the part might have multiple views. The good thing about this machine is that with just a few quick clicks, we can get a preset PDF report with all the dimensions analyzed. Our operators are responsible for guaranteeing a quality product. Another important advantage is that with a manual projector you position one part at a time. But on the Metrios stage you can measure multiple parts at the same time.